Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to animate a hover box in Wix. This feature is perfect for making your website more interactive and visually engaging, helping you capture your visitors' attention with smooth, professional animations. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu, and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with different options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific website you want to work on. Now you'll see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment here to make sure this is the correct website where you want to add and animate your hoverbox. It's always good to double-check before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this button on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Click on it to enter the editing mode where you can start customizing your site. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the Add Element button located on the top left part of your screen. This button gives you access to all the different elements and features you can add to your site. From the Elements menu that appears, scroll down and locate the Interactive section. Within this section, look for the Hoverboxes option. Wix offers several types of hoverboxes with different layouts and styles. Browse through them and choose the one that best fits your website's design. Once you've made your choice, simply drag it onto your website canvas and position it wherever you'd like it to appear. Now click on the hoverbox you just added to select it. Once selected, look for the Hover Interaction button and click on it. This button is your gateway to customizing how the hoverbox behaves when visitors interact with it. After clicking it, you'll have the option to edit the hoverbox animation. Go ahead and click on that option. Your screen will temporarily switch to the hoverbox animation screen, which is specifically designed for fine-tuning these effects. Here you can click on play to see the current animation in action. This gives you a clear idea of how the hoverbox will behave on your live site. To customize the animation further, click on the Choose Effect button. This will open up a gallery of sample animations that Wix has pre-designed for you. Click on each one and play the animation to preview all the different effects this hoverbox can have. Take your time exploring these options to find the one that perfectly matches your website's style and purpose. And that's it. You've successfully animated a hoverbox in Wix, adding an interactive element that will make your website stand out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.